Hey guys, I wanted to do a video on a Coachella inspired look, but I also wanted to do a video reviewing my Boxycharm items. If you do have Boxycharm or if you're thinking about starting it, first of all, just do it. You'll end up loving it. Second of all, what is this piece of hair doing right here? Don't know. If you guys got to go to Coachella. This is off to a terrible start already. Oh my god. I am so jealous. Hopefully I can afford a ticket next year. A girl can dream, right? Anyways, I do hope you guys like this look. If you guys like it, just keep on watching. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done. Definitely don't look like this when I wake up in the morning. Wasn't blessed in that department. I'm just going to take some tape and place it right there so that when I put my eyeshadow on, all I have to do is rip it off and there'll be a perfectly straight line. So I am going to be going in with the Pure Festival palette today. Look at this packaging. This is so cute. It looks like this. Like, look at these colors, guys. They're amazing. I don't know if you can even see those that well. But these two glitter colors up here, like, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. What does that smell like? It came with this little pack of primer for your eyes. It is so important to use this. The first time I used this palette, I did not use this, and it was like Fallout Central. Like, none of it stayed on my eye. I was so disappointed, and then I was like, I saw this and I was like, ooh, I'll give it a go again, and it made it a million times different. Like, it was so much better. The next thing I wanted to go over that I got in my Boxycharm are these three brushes. Gorgeous packaging. Like, they have like that ombre effect. Two eyeshadow brushes. This one is like a little contour brush. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this little curved brush here, and we're gonna start with this color here. It's called Hidden Desert, and I'm just gonna apply this to the crease. Alright, I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush here in this color Sunset. It's like a peachy, sparkly color. And I'm going to put that right above where I put that last color. Now I'm going to go in with this smaller brush here into the darkest color on the palette. It's called All Night. And focus that just on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I did also end up dragging that all the way into the inner corner too. I'm going to take a little, like a curved brush like this. Just use some concealer. We're going to do a little cut crease action just on that inner corner of my eye. So I'm taking this. Okay, now we have that cut crease there, so I'm just going to set it in place with a little setting powder. I'm so excited for this part. We're going to take this color right here, this hot pink. It's called Wild Child. I think it's a good name for that color. And I'm going to use my finger. Okay, so I'm really going to try to make this like a gradient. So I really like it like this, but I am way too tempted and just not going to be able to not use the glitter. So I'm going to go in with this corner one here. This is Fireworks. And just pop that right on where I put that hot pink at. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, look at that. So we're pretty much going to do the same thing underneath the eye as we did on top. So I'm going to start with this hot pink color right here. Apply that right underneath. Just on like the inner half. So we have the pink in the inner half, so then we're going to go in with the mix these two colors right here on the outer corner. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wing it out now. I am using the Revlon ColorStay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. Since I have this tape on here, this is going to make this process 1,050 times better. Look how messy you can get. Like, you can be so messy and careless with this, and that tape's just gonna fix it all up. So I always like to do my liquid eyeliner so that when I'm like looking down, it almost looks just like a straight line on top. So yeah, when I have my head straight and looking down, see how it's like completely like straight across. I just think that's what looks best for my eye shape, but just throwing that out there. That is so satisfying. So I am going to clean this up, but I am going to go off camera, do the other eye, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Both eyes are done. I just spent like 20 minutes at least trying to scrape all of this glitter off my face. So beware of that palette. If you use the glitter, it's going to go everywhere, and there's nothing you can do about it. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris. This is their Unlimited mascara. If you haven't used it yet, it's really cool because the brush tilts like this. So it's so easy to get those like outer corners and the inner corner that's really hard to get with just the flat brush. Now it's time for lashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. These are awesome. They're very natural looking. Definitely, well, I don't know who has natural eyelashes like that. I know I don't. And I always use Lash Duo glue for my eyelashes. It's fabulous. Make sure you let it get a little tacky. What I do that helps me apply eyelashes the easiest, I would lean your head back, so make sure you can see your actual lash line. Take some tweezers, just set it right on top. Push down that outer corner, and then the inner corner. While those lashes are drying, we're just going to prep for our skin. I use the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly before I do any face makeup. There's like none left, so that's good. Gives me an excuse to go to Ulta. You can kind of see this, blah, what am I saying? You can see this glue on my eyelash. Whenever that happens, I'll just take a liquid eyeliner. Oh my god, my hands are so slippery from that primer. I cannot get this open. Oh my gosh, guys. No, no, no. Why me? This is a perfect example of my life, so here we go. Okay, I am trying out a new foundation today. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I've read fabulous reviews. The lady at Ulta was like, get this, you'll love it. Trust me, so. Okay, you guys, this stuff is incredible. Like, my skin just looks so healthy. It's so glowy. Like, it looks like I'm wearing highlighter. What? And I applied like the smallest amount, and it just has covered like just about everything. I'm gonna add a little more just to see if it's like buildable, and we'll cover all of those little acne scars, but oh my god, like I think I found a new favorite. I did purchase the little pump on top separately, just so you guys know. It doesn't come with a pump. It just is like, or like a brush or anything. It's just like a tub of foundation. So I would recommend getting the pump. This actually came in one of my Boxycharms from last month, but I love it. It's called a Peel Liquid Eyeshadow in the color gold. And I'm just gonna pop that right on the inner corner. I'm going to go in with concealer now. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Sand. Pounding that just under my eyes. You guys know how to use concealer. Okay, I'm going to set my face in place now. I'm using words, Megan. I'm using the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I look frightening right now. Like, I look like I'm ill. Like I came down with food poisoning or something. This is by the brand Palladio in the color Pacific Tan. And I am gonna just hit the little end of my nose and under my chin. See you later, double chin. I wish. Time for blush. This is by Tarte in the color Paaarty. It's not Party. No, that's not right. It's Paaarty. But it's a very like light pink color. For highlight today, this came in my Boxycharm as well. This is by Artist Couture. This is Diamond Glow Powder. It is fabulous. It is like a goldy, like a gold champagne color, but it has like little bits of like light purple sparkles in it. So it's gonna look so good with the eyes because literally my eyes are like light pinkish purple and gold. Also, if any of you any of you other people, any of you guys out there got this, did it take you like 20 minutes to figure out how to open it? Because I know it did for me. It looks like my face is wet, which is like honestly the goal with highlighter. Oh my god, too much, SOS. Alright, and I also put it right here on my chin. Cupid's bow. I also like to put a little bit like right above my brow. Basically just dump the whole entire tray on your face and you'll be good. We are almost done. I'm gonna pop a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. But this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra. I love this. I've worn it so many times already. It's like a metallic-y purple pink color. It's gonna look so good with the eyes, just saying. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I actually think it turned out pretty decent. I was not sure what was gonna go down at first. So if you do like what you see and you maybe want to see more of me, if not, I won't be offended. I don't blame you. This video is kind of all over the place. But if you do, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Oh, and also, don't forget about Boxycharm. This is the second box I've gotten, and every single thing inside it I've absolutely loved. It also comes with a little card in each one that tells you about the items that you got, what they are, what they're used for, and how much their MSRP is. So basically, one item is worth more than the whole box. So if you love makeup and trying new things, give it a try. See what you think. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. I can't wait to see you guys next video. Bye.